Hello, how you guys doing today? My name is LaQuinn Lamb, and today I'm going to demonstrate how I made my grade book using Excel and using tools such as the formulas tool and other things in Excel. Okay, and this is the sheet that I was given to work with, my grade book, and here on the bottom is sheet one is the way I finished my grade book. And the first thing I did in my grade book was added a header. And in order for me to add a header, you have to go to the Insert tab. And on the Insert tab, you go to Text, Header, and Foot Group, right? And then the next thing you go to is Normal View. Because here in the Normal View, you want to highlight the section right here at the top, the whole thing. And then you want to put it in alphabetical order. And you're going to go to Home, Sort and Filter, and you're going to sort A to Z, right? So now we're going to add auto filters. In order to add auto filters, you want to click all the way across the top from A to O. And once you get A to O, you want to go to the data tab, then you want to hit filter. And once you've hit the filter button, you're going to realize that they make the drop down things come down in each box. So that's what the filter was for, right? Then I added my formulas. The first formula I added was my quiz average. And when I added my quiz average, I typed in equal average B4 to E4 because I wanted just the quiz grades. And once I typed it in to the quiz average, I scrolled all the way down to the last student, and it gave me, and the formula copied into each cell. And I did the same thing. I'm going to do the same thing for test average. Okay, we're going to go all the way down, and to every box, the formula G4 to K4 was for every test average, and I went to class average, and I did the same thing. You're going to go all the way through, and once you get all the way through, you're going to average. The formula average is going to be B4 to B13. And now I'm going to go to my total points, and here you see the number 650, but on the grade book I was given, that number was 250. But I knew it was going to be more than 250 because all of my tests was going to be more than 250 points. So what I did was I went in and put a formula to add each test individually. Okay? So now I'm going to do my students' total points, but this time was different because I added in the extra credit. And when I added the extra credit in, I drug all of the cells all the way down, and the formula copied into each cell separately. The last thing I'm going to do on my table is I'm going to show you guys the grade point average. But if you notice every number here on this table, I click on any number, it's going to say general. But the moment I go to the grade point average box and click, it's going to change the percentage. So now, in order for me to get the GPA, I'm going to divide each student's total amount of points by the 650 points given. Okay, and in order to get each person grade point average separately, you have to bring down each box, each cell formula, and it's going to plug in, and each student is going to get a grade. For example, this first student got 80%. Okay, so now that I already have installed a formula for the class average, now you will see that every cell has an average. Okay, and now the last thing I'm going to do is add a chart. So in order to add a chart, you want to highlight all of this here information right here. And once this information is highlighted, you want to click the Insert tab. And once you get to Insert, you want to click on Recommended Charts. I chose the first chart that was given to me, and it was a good choice. So now I'm going to cancel this, and I'm going to pull my chart up down here at the bottom, And I'm going to show you guys why this was a good chart for me to use. See, when I used the chart, I titled it Class Grades. And it was good to me because right here on the left, it gives the total possible points that was given in the class. And then it give you every student's percentage right here. The blue line is to show what every student made in the classroom. And right here, every student's name is right here in the bottom. And I just think that it was a good choice because it gave you all that different type of information. And that was it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed. Thank you.